Colchester is being invaded by pikeys. Go past, Andy. Looks like one caravan to me. What's the fuss all about? What the fuck? There's more! There's loads! Caravan, caravan. Pikeys. Pikeys. Where the pikeys gonna hide? Pikeys. They're the circus. The pikey!
Oh, hang on.
Hello.
I can hear. They're fucking violent.
Jippos.
Southway.
Subway Jippos.
We're in the middle of fighting.
We've got some behind us. We're being boxed in by pikeys. They're going to jump out the caravan and stab us. Get on the left of them, I meant the right. I want to see these people, they disgust me. Buy a fucking house!
Big one, the big one.
Rent it, rent it! Woo! It was a nutter.
Boy, you want to see the one with the
He had fucking earrings on. He had earrings. He's a proper jib. You've just got to fucking
Boy, I think that's what they did.
Andy.
Oh, no, come up with someone else. Oh, fuck. Oi, break. Oh, fuck, man.
He's a nutter. We pissed the bogey off.
Andy,
Oh, shit. These gays are nutters.
Was that the one that
He's pulling over to fucking knock the shit out of us. Get out, Andy. Go. Go.
Put in front of us. Whoa! Fucking hell! Fuck.
We have this bikey's going to get us. These lights are green, Andy. You got to rinse round. If they stop, we're fucked. Go. Follow them. They can't do anything. They can't go anywhere. Just go this way. Go on. We'll laugh. This geezer's a fucking nutcase. Pikeys are all on their fucking radios and they're not radioing in, piking it up.
Man, we ain't following them.
Nah, we've got to.
You nearly cut us something, nearly kill me!
Lock the door.
What a fucking pikey! Well, look, yeah, that's that Moscow circus.
That geezer's a nutter. He fucking wanted to kill us.
Well, I think you should follow him.
That's because when I went past, I went like that. But I think it made him look like a wanker. Oh no, the fucking Moscow party's coming.
Oh shit! I'm in the back, and he's got a ramble.
You hold this, I'm not filming. I'm scared.
Oh, look at this, they're coming up behind us. Look at the face! Fucking stopped at lights. And what we're going to do, we've blocked him, mate.
If they come out, we'll spin there. Big space, we'll spin it.
How are we going to get out of there?
Trust me.